Rethinking Road Construction. Sustainable and innovative. Instead of relying only on stone and gravel, we now also use recycled building materials and local resources. Additional material streams include plastic waste, wood residues, household waste, and even organic waste. In a modern pyrolysis plant, organic waste is transformed into biochar, a valuable additive for road construction. At the EnsoPave cold mixing plant, all these materials come together. A specially developed binder ensures perfect bonding, while a liquid accelerator stabilizes the mix. The result is EnsoPave, a next-generation sustainable asphalt, durable, resource-efficient, and environmentally friendly. Road construction of the future, made from waste, built for the mobility of tomorrow.